Talk someone or something up to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our communication-related idiom. We only have one more. Tomorrow's already the end of the month to coincide with our BU 365-day challenge, where we're focusing on the life framework area of communication this month. So today's is to talk someone or something up, or something or someone up. I've heard it in a lot of different ways. To talk up, to bolster, to make something sound better than it maybe actually is, to advertise, to promote, to speak with enthusiasm about something, to talk about something or someone in a way that makes them maybe seem better or more impressive than they actually are. But it might be usually to make them sound better or more impressive than they are. To exaggerate, or to extol, or to praise, add accolades, to commend, basically to brag about someone or something, right? To build them up, hopefully not overpromise and underdeliver, but to build them up to focus on the things that are awesome about a person, a place, or a thing, or an event that's coming up. We do this in all of marketing. That's pretty much the purpose of marketing, right? Is to get the people that we want to know about our products and services. So advertising, promotion, part of marketing, branding, launches, offers, how we present them, how we communicate those things to other people. We want to be building them up, talking them up, and making them sound attractive, right, to the people that they're for. We also want to make them not sound attractive for the people that they're not for. A lot of times you'll call out, this is for so-and-so, or this is not for a person that's this, or this. We want to be really specific about that. I will contend that in alignment with our discussion in the annual challenge today about self-talk, that the person we need to talk up the most and be most adamant about presenting is ourselves and what we bring to any situation, any event, any part of our life, and building our business is absolutely a part of that. For the most part, the world will bring us down, right? There's no shortage of people willing to criticize, punch us in the face, knock us when we're down. So it's incredibly important that we are believing in ourselves, that we're talking to ourselves, that we're being our biggest cheerleader, and that everything needs to start with us. And that includes talking ourselves up, getting ourselves excited. If we're not excited about the offers that we have, if we're not excited about the products and services and the solutions that we provide to people, why on earth would, number one, any of the people that are helping us build our business be excited about that? And why would anybody be excited about buying anything from us, or doing business with us, or being in relationships with us, or anything else? If we don't love ourselves first, if we don't love our business and the things that we provide to people first, nobody else is going to love us either. I think that is a universal law as old as time itself. So love to know your experience with this particular idiom or expression. Talk something up, talk someone up. How have you used this to grow and build and supersize your business? Like I said, we use it every single day in our business. If I can help you in any way, ask advice. I will be with you tomorrow for our final communication-related idiom, and I've still got pages of them to pick from, so it's going to be kind of exciting to pick one for tomorrow. Have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow. Bye. Go talk yourself up.